Hello everyone, I'm Amir Hossein. In this video I will show you how to convert NetCDF from the WRF model output to GeoTIFF data. So I'm in the post-WRF directory, open name list, and let me see which section is enabled. Currently this section WRF domain plot is enabled. I disable this section 0. I'll change it to 0, and I look for this section WRF convert to GeoTIFF and I enable it. Okay, now you need to specify a variable that will be extracted from the WRF output and will be converted to GeoTIFF data. The name of the variable here is 2 meter temperature. If you want to keep this variable, 2 meter temperature is a surface variable, so it doesn't have any layer, any vertical atmospheric layer. So if you keep this variable temperature, 2 meter temperature, this parameter which is pressure level will not be read. Because this variable doesn't have any vertical layer. But let me change it to some variable with vertical layer, such as relative humidity. If I change it to relative humidity, now I need to set a specific value for the pressure level. Let me change it from 500 hectopascal to 700 hectopascal. So here, relative humidity from 700 hectopascal is going to be extracted from the WRF output and converted to GeoTIFF. I save it, I run post-WRF. These are my WRF output that are linked or copied in the current directory. I choose number, let's say 2, and time steps or time slots inside the WRF output. I just push enter because I want to apply this process to all time slots inside this WRF output. Okay, first of all, our variable which was relative humidity on 700 hectopascal was extracted. Step by step it was extracted, and after that they had been converted to GeoTIFF. You can see here the file suffix here, that is TIFF. So if I list the files, there is a directory here. If I go inside the directory and list the contents, you can see that GeoTIFF files are available here. Now let me visualize these GeoTIFF files by QGIS software. I load the recently generated GeoTIFF files in the post-WRF directory. Go here and I choose all of them. Okay. Let me adjust layer here, and let me set a color palette for this file and copy the style of this color palette to all other layers. Paste. Okay, now if I turn the layers on and off, you can, let me zoom in a little bit. You can see the variation of relative humidity in each GeoTIFF data.